Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Now that we have the file ready for um, building our customized report and monitoring our channel and analyzing our activities and the analytics of our channel using the download data, which is available on the YouTube channel, right? So what we do is that uh, we run this VBA system, the routine which we have developed. What it does is that it goes to the monthly folder. The monthly folder is the files which are containing all the daily files we download, and and save them in a consistent naming convention manner, right? So the 22nd February 2025 was the last download we have done, and we had started it from the 1st January of 2025. So we are able now to analyze our video's performance in different ways. There are uh, all the files are gathered into this sheet, right? And they have all these information like the duration and the views, the watch time, the subscribers, the estimated revenue impression and click-through CTR rate and etc. Right? The weekdays and so. Okay, so uh, just to show you that now how can we using our Excel knowledge and the system which we have developed, so we can see that what happened to a particular date. The We received, for example, an X amount of dollar in that is 16 cents. Okay, 16 cents. So these are all are mentioned in here. So the total of all these is 16 cents, right? So if we want to see them all at a glance, what we need to do is just go to the filter and remove this so that everything and remove the blanks too. Okay, we click OK. So this will give you the breakup of the 16 cent is this, that the highest cents was 10 cents received from this video, right? This video is the key video, and uh, which has uh, earn you 10 cents only on one day, right? That is 18th of February. That's good. So let's go to the channel and see that what is it is how to create a chart in VBA and create a line chart. So make sure that you focus on this, right? Okay. So, or you can also use this thing. That's 18th of February. Okay. This is a better way that you go to 18th of February and see what happened on that. Okay. So let's go and in the uh, in in the contents, in the analytics, you go to the see more, and in here you have the 18th of February. Go to custom and you go to make it 18 February. Yeah, this is okay. You make it 18th of February, and here also you make it 18th of February. Make it 18th of February. That's it. Okay. So 18 February to 18 February, and we apply it. So it must show us that video which was outperforming with the 10 cents log. Okay. So these are the 10 cents video that were earned on this video. Yeah, that exactly matches what we see in our system, right? And if we go to the analytics of this, right, this is 10, and we go to the analytics of this, creates the, yeah, we go to analytics. So this is showing the analysis that this was the time when it reached 81 views, and that was on 23rd of February. And what happened on 18th of it? So this is 17, this is 17, this is the 18th of it. This is where it reached us. It earned you 10 cents, okay, the highest offer that day. Okay, so this way you can further go and see that how it is going above the normal routine, right? Normal routine. The gray part is the normal routine as usual, but as soon as it exceeds, so it is doing well. It is the trend is going up. Okay, so this is how you can utilize and figure out that which are the videos which you can shortlist and to see that what is going on and how it is being performed, right? So the use of filter is the main thing. Means it allows you uh, to uh, to omit the blanks and see all the pertinent videos on it. So unrelevant videos which are not relevant with respect to the 18, so they will be excluded, yeah? By just removing the blanks and the zeros, you will see the complete breakup of the total that is hitting. Okay, so these all are making the 16 cents, that is 15.9 cents. So this is how this is one way you can you can do the same activity on different all other uh, different uh, parameters which you can use here. For example, you want to change from the estimates the revenue to watch time or views. So let's make views, and so you will see that now it will be converted into the views, right? Once it gets converted, so you can then set up the filters and see this. See, this time it will be talking about the views, not mm, any other things, right? Okay, so as you can see, the format is properly set for you, and now you can uh, do the same thing as we did. That you remove the zeros from here and remove the blanks in here, and see the views. So 62 views breakup is here. That you have 21 videos on this particular day, which totaled to 62 views. Okay, and yeah, these are all that's 62 views, right? So which one was the highest one? You can see that 28 views. This was the power of your data analysis and drop down. This is the drop down in which we talked in this video about this drop down. And the formulas are driven by the selection of the drop down. It's dependent. So, okay. So and the formatting also, right? So whenever you make the changes in the drop-down selection, so the system decides what formula will be required here and what number format is to apply. That would be appropriate for it. So it's all automation. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.